Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change a chart from Google Forms. Google Forms automatically creates charts based on your response data. However, the customization options inside Google Forms are very limited. To fully redesign your chart, you need to open the Responses tab. Open the Responses tab in your Google form. After opening Responses, click on View in Sheets. Let's say you want to create a chart for this data. Select the data range that you want to use for the chart. Click Insert, scroll down, and select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart. In this case, it creates a column chart by default. To change it, go to the right panel and find the chart type option. Click the drop-down menu and select a different chart type. For example, you can change it to a pie chart. You can see that the chart has been updated successfully. You can also add labels and make further adjustments. This makes your Google Form data clearer and more professional. This method is ideal for reports, presentations, and sharing visual insights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.